Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So recently I've been asked lot many times that what I am doing with my hair. As you can see, my hair is long, voluminous and silky and without frizz. ठीक है? So I have been getting so many questions कि भाई what have you done with your hair? क्या चेंज किया है, क्या खाना शुरू किया है, क्या लगाना शुरू किया है या क्या किया है that you have changed your hair. So people who know me already, they know that I have already a very fine thin hair जिसका I have to take care a lot. And जिनको नहीं पता है they can see these pictures and you can take out from these pictures कि मेरे बाल कैसे थे और अब कैसे हो गए. So I have been using Pro Touch के hair growth drops and hair oil. I just cannot tell you how much these have helped me to regrow my hair and get my hair voluminous and all frizz free. So I'm gonna tell everything in detail. So people who are new to my channel, my name is Vartika. I make fashion, lifestyle and beauty videos. I hope you find this video useful. Do share it with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's not waste any more time and let's see is hair growth drop and hair growth oil में ऐसा क्या है that I am just big fan of theirs and I want to share it with you guys. So talking about hair growth oil, ये ऐसी पैकेजिंग में आता है, इसमें सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है, इंग्रेडिएंट से लेके कौन कौन यूज़ कर सकता है एंड कैसे यूज़ किया जा सकता है, एवरीथिंग हैज़ बिन रिटन. सो आई रीड इट आउट फॉर यू गाइज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट प्रिवेंट्स हेयर ग्रेइंग. इसके अलावा इन्हांस हेयर डेंसिटी एंड फाइट हेयर लॉस एंड थिनिंग. So this has been working on me. So उसके अलावा a very good thing has been written here. Who is it for? मतलब I get so many questions whenever I make videos. Boys and men come out and ask, can I use it? Can I use it? Is this only for women and everything? But this company has taken the pain of writing it at least that men and women of all ages can use it. So men, if you are watching this video, feel free to use it. And you guys already know that how much I love coloring my hair, right? So this one is so good for dry, damaged, color and chemically treated hair. I am just the fan of the. ऐसा कुछ दिखता है and let's see the packaging up here. So this is the bottle that you get. ध्यान से देख लो because I know you guys gonna order this. They have given us this kind of a dropper वाला system जिससे oil लगाना बहुत आसान हो जाता है guys, बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है. So this comes. So what we can do is we'll open the lid. ठीक है, इसको खोला and इसको लगा लिया. देखा? As simple as it can be. And this one makes the application so easy. Now coming to my biotin and collagen hair growth drops. So this one reduces your hair fall, strengthens and boosts hair growth. So you can see how my hair have grown, right? This one says that it's fast absorbing, that it is, and it's ultra concentrated formula, no sulfate, no parabens, no phthalates and no mineral oils. And we all know and इतना अभी तक सुन लिया है, पढ़ लिया है that biotin and collagen are so good for hair, and this right here is the concentrated formula for these two. I'll show you what it looks like. इसको खोला. This is what this beauty looks like. कुछ नहीं करना होता, you just open this and इसको खोल के इसमें there is a dropper. आप बहुत आसानी से अपने बालों में भी लगा सकते हो. ये dropper कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. I'll show you. ये देखो, just the amount of drop you require, not more, not less, and just look at this. And you get the drop exactly how much you need it in your hair. So let's not waste any more time and let's see how exactly I use it for growing my hair and making it voluminous. So chale. Pro Touch Growth Hair Oil contains 100% natural 21 cold pressed herbal oil. It includes neem, kalonji, rosemary and many more such ingredients. It nourishes your scalp and improves hair density. It comes with a unique root applicator that helps reach your scalp easily and helps in better application. Keep it for at least 4 to 5 hours or keep it overnight for better results. After hair oil, follow it up with hair growth drops. It is non-sticky and lightweight formula. It contains hair growth actives like Redensil, Enagain and Procapil. It is clinically tested. It has an ultra concentrated formula. It helps to grow your hair. It is also silicone and paraben free. It needs to be applied directly on the scalp. It is very easy to use and apply, and also it is clinically tested solution. Once done, tie your hair and keep it at least for 4 to 5 hours, and if possible keep it overnight and see the miracle happen. देखा कितना सिंपल था. ऑयल लगाया, हेयर ग्रोथ ड्रॉप लगाया, and overnight rakha. If not overnight, at least keep it for 4 to 5 hours and then wash it, and you can get hairs like me. And if your girl is here, she'll come up with some or the other discount. So you get 10% discount on their website if you use this code. So go ahead, use this code, and I'll mention this code and the links of the product in the description box so that easily you can go and buy it from there. So please go ahead and try this right now. Don't miss the opportunity. आपको discount code भी मिल जाएगा and links will be there. तो फटाफट जाओ, देर मत करो and get one for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this useful. Do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.